Hey fellas, we have not common drill here, the XPH14, and this is made for the USA, not for the Europe, so it's not a common drill for me, and it fall out and the gear assy just broke, so I will take replacement gear assy, and I hope that the 122D48-7 will fit this one. Because they look pretty the same. It's really expensive, but what can we do? It is like it is. Okay, let's try to check it. What I have not done, I have not tested with the battery. So just make a test that it just spins. Yep. Okay, it just spins. That's enough for us now. Okay. Of course, we have a mess here. Okay, just brush it a little bit. I need a switch. Okay, and let's check how this one will look here. Maybe I will remove the armature. Okay, I want to check. I will put the motor. Yeah, the gear assy seems to fit nice. And they are looking pretty the same. Okay, so let's try to close it and check how it closes. Yep, it closes perfectly, so that's good. Okay, did a mistake. I need to clean it with the compressed air before assembling, but okay for now. Okay, what you want to see now? Yeah. It works nice. Do it hammers? Yeah, it hammers. Okay, so we have the one problem left here is the anvil, and of course the check. Where's my socket when I need them? This one, no. Just trying to match the socket for this one. Of course, if I will not be able to do that, it's not a big problem. I can just put it in a vise and unscrew it like that. Okay, So what we have here, okay, it's too hard, so I will stop the video, put the anvil to the vise and unscrew it and change it. Okay, after a good hour fight, and I've cut it all the parts here, put the shafts on in the anvil and on the vise, and it got broken, so I have grinded it out, and I still cannot unscrew the check inside, and I cannot pull it out, so just give it up, putting it aside and giving the customer the new check. You can find this check in my shop. The link for shop you can find in this video description, and you can see it's a really nice check. Looks very good, and I hope they are good. They are metal ones. Okay, of course I'm putting the screw for this one. I have the spare ones. Oh, okie doke. Now it looks like a good, nice deal. Okay. It's so powerful. Yep. Okay. So, love it. Thumbs up if you like, and bye.